friends, today's topic is homeopathic outlook for hair fall. Why do we usually have hair fall? There are various causes that we will be discussing now. First is due to hereditary. Second, due to hormonal disorders in female. In female, it could be due to periods, pregnancy, menopause, low thyroid, that is hypothyroidism. It could be due to disturbed digestion. Now, what is disturbed digestion a result of? Irregular food habits, acidity, irritable bowel syndrome, or also consumption of lot of non-veg food and heat in the stomach. Due to acidity, the roots of the hair become weak and they fall. So the digestion needs to be treated at this level. Even after infection, we get a hair fall, and in infection, there may be fevers, typhoid, malaria, jaundice, or also there it could be after dengue or even after COVID now that is going on, or any infectious viral fevers. It can also be due to lack of vitamins and minerals in the body. Now it is also due to fungus infection in the scalp itself and lot of dryness in the scalp. Due to psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis also hair fall happens. It can also be due to smoking and also after cancer, radiation side effects, or consumption of lot of non-veg food. Now friends, correction of the cause will lead to correction of hair fall. Local application of oils, shampoos are of help to a certain extent, but the root cause needs to be treated. Now, in the diet which help us, that I would like to discuss first. In the diet, lot of green leafy vegetables, yogurt, guava, which has vitamin C, lot of sweet potatoes which have beta carotene, and cinnamon that helps in circulation and oxygen flow in the body. My dear friends, if you are doing pranayam, that will help, and if you do Shirshasana, lot of blood will flow to the scalp of the hair, in which hair will start growing beautifully. Even if local application of garlic juice, onion juice, ginger juice, all that is rubbed into the scalp every day in the night, 3 times a week for a week time, this gives a good result. Consumption of eggs has vitamin B and lot of protein. Bhringraj oil is supposed to be very good for hair fall. My dear friends, in my experience, I have seen that if application of yogurt and aloe vera and honey is done 3 times a week, it also helps for dandruff and hair fall to be reduced. These are the gem of my experience which I have used, I am telling you. Now, the diet, I will just brief it up in short so that you will understand. The diet is have lot of water early morning in tambe ka lota. Number 2, green tea with lot of dry fruits. Then lot of fruits to be eaten like kalingar, apple, chiku as diet. Then go for your diet at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. That what you eat will first have lot of salads, 1 vati dal, 1 vati bhaji, and either juwar ka roti, chawal ka roti, that's it, and a glass of buttermilk. See that you do not take water after consumption of food. Then afterwards in the evening you can have either gud chana, upma, poha along with green tea. But friends, do not eat outside food. In the night again, I would say have different types of millets. It is a very good fiber content and gives lot of relief in many other diseases in the body also. Now, consumption of water is a must in plenty. Consumption of fruits, all I have briefed up just now. Now, I will be telling you about homeopathy. In homeopathy, we have natrum, phosphorus, phosphoric acid, and also many medicines. But only after proper case taking, according to the cause, the homeopathic medication can be given. A few medicine I will tell you for digestion, Nux vomica, few for acidity, that is Robania or Natrum phos. After liver problems like jaundice, if you have hair fall, syrup Jondila is to be taken. But I would suggest that a local homeopath takes up your full history, and by individualization, a constitutional medicine will definitely help. I have also used combination of Arnica mother tincture, Staphysagrina mother tincture, Thuja mother tincture, Ashwagandha mother tincture, all 1 ounce bottle to be mixed in 200 grams of oil and to be massaged in the scalp almost 3 times a week, and use Arnica shampoo available in homeopathic stores to wash the hair. I, with my experience, has given you the best as possible. So do have a watch, share and like this video, and see that you do not keep on applying and go window shopping for different types of oils, but treat the root cause. Even for seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis, only after looking into the case we can guide you. Thank you, friends. Thank you, my gurus. Thank you.
Help Talks are daily health related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.